Welcome to another installment of Living on the Farm. Well, today we got started shelling corn, and things are going pretty good. And you might see from the footage that we still got some stalks to stand. And what that is this corn had to be replanted. So when we came in and tore the corn up, when I replanted it, of course, it's not exactly in the same rows it was the first time, and some of that first planted corn survived, and it's actually growing between the rows. So every so often we get on a row where it doesn't get into the corn head, so we're just going along and pulling those few ears off and throwing them in the gator, and then we're throwing them through the combine. So it's not that big a deal, but we just didn't want to leave that corn there so that we'd have volunteer corn in the future.